Today is the 5th of August 2014. Not a particularly nice day. We have had torrential rains again. The garden, yards and garden look very green, very healthy. Even the places over here, where the flooding damaged the ground so much, looks very good again. I'm going to take you over and show you what has happened. It's been exactly 25 days since July 10th when the flooding happened here. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening. It rained for about 2.5 hours, I think. The little stream here that's right in front of us. Here, it comes out of a pipe there. Normally, my neighbor just said there's so little water in it normally that fish couldn't swim through it. This is the Fischbach, the little stream that caused all of the problem before. And you can see how beautifully it's flowing now, because it has been dredged out on both sides, and in the middle. The water is now able to flow through. We've had torrential rains these last couple of days again, and cleaning this little stream bed here has solved the problem altogether. For that, we want to certainly express our gratitude, first of all, to the mayor and the Bürgermeister of our village, because he came the day after I made that video. He came here, looked at the situation, saw what needed to be done, and he had it done within the next week. And also to Mr. Clemens Ballast, who and his crew, who have done the work here, all from our little village here. We really appreciate this. The fact that they took our concern seriously and took care of the problem in a very short time. So there you are. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to express our appreciation and show you what was done to alleviate the problem here. Thanks and goodbye.